Hello guys. My family and I picked up our first short-term rental at the end of the 2019, right before COVID-19 pandemic started. With no international travel, 2020 was a rough year, but looking back at it now, it was both cursed and a blessing. I spent countless hours researching Airbnb, trying to make incremental changes to our listing. We also made many mistakes, big or small, but soon enough, we started seeing that our listing was consistently ranking high in the Airbnb search. We consistently started showing up on the first page of Airbnb search and started getting bookings. We also had a great feedback from our guests, which gave us confidence to pick up another listing at the end of the 2020. And over following year and a half, we picked up and renovated 4 more listings, also picked up 3 very successful Airbnb arbitrage units. All of those units are still doing really well and they are top ranking listings in their respective areas, making us thousands of dollars each month. In this course, I will share with you my experience and show you the tips and tools that I use to successfully run my Airbnb business every day. The course will show you how I set up a high-ranking Airbnb listing from the beginning to the end. Please keep in mind that Airbnb is not my main job. This is just my hobby that I'm passionate about and I enjoy doing it with my sister. As you go through the course, you will watch me step by step set up a real Airbnb listing. The listing is live and rocking by the time you're watching this video. You follow me as I make a detailed commentary to each step. Please keep in mind there's no inspirational content in this course. All the content is clean cut and straight to the point. You will learn how to set up an Airbnb listing from the beginning to the end, plus more. If you're setting up your first Airbnb listing, this course will show you how to get up and running quickly, plus how to avoid some key mistakes. If you already have an Airbnb listing but you think you could do better, this course will show you how you can become one of those top 3 to 5% hosts in your area. The price of the course will be covered in 1 or 2 nights of your rental, regardless of where your property is located around the world. I try to make this course concise, not to take too much of your valuable time. I'm sure that this will be one of the best Airbnb investments that you have made. Plus, there is a full money back guarantee, so there's no risk to it. I'm 100% confident that you will love this course and you'll find it useful. Finally, if you want to learn how to set up an Airbnb listing like a pro, wait no more, sign up for this course.